present value, one of the financial functions, calculates the present value of a loan or an investment based on a constant interest rate. You can use present value, PV, with either periodic constant payments, such as a mortgage or other loan, or a future value that's your investment goal. In our example, it's a future value for my investment goal. With an interest rate of 6%, what is the current value of $7 million if you receive it in 5 years? We have interest rate of 6%, future value of $7 million in 5 years. And we will calculate present value of that investment to understand how much do I need to invest to receive this $7 million in 5 years. Let's go ahead and use PV function here. Excel gives me a hint that PV returns the present value of an investment, the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. Beautiful, that's what I want. I'm gonna grab it with tab. My rate is in the cell F57, comma. My number of periods is in the cell F59, comma. My payment, there's no payment in this case scenario as it's investment, not a loan example. So I'm gonna put 0 for payments, comma, and I will flip the sign for future value minus my future value is in the cell F58, $7 million. My formula is ready to go. I'm gonna click enter and I have $5,230,000 I need to invest today, so I would receive $7 million in 5 years with 6% of interest rate. Perfect.